Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change font size and display scale in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing the font size and display scale in Windows 10 is quite straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Ease of Access. In the Ease of Access settings, select Display from the menu. Use the slider under Make Text Bigger to increase or decrease the text size. You can see a preview of how the text will look. Once you have selected your preferred text size, click Apply. Your changes will take effect immediately. If you want to change the size of everything, including apps and other elements, you can adjust the scale and layout settings under the Display section in the System menu in the Settings app. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.